Today I would like to introduce you to our newest listing located at 9550 Charles Court in Dexter. Now this stunning home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, and a view-out basement. Now built in 2005, this house sits on 10 acres, and the best feature of this property is that it's an equestrian enthusiast dream. The property includes a 3,200 square foot barn with 3 stables, and it also includes a 7,900 square foot indoor riding arena. So why don't we come on in and take a look? Walking into the house, you're going to be amazed by the wall of windows looking out on the pasture area. The living room is vaulted with 4 skylights, which lets in a lot of light. The kitchen is open to the living area and contains Zodiac quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and maple masterpiece cabinets that make this kitchen a true chef's delight. The master bath features a jacuzzi tub, built-ins, and a porcelain tile for a spa-like retreat, and likewise has a skylight bringing in lots of natural light. The property has a 3,200 square foot stable, which includes 3 stalls, a wash rack with hot water, and a heated feed/tack room. The barn also features a concrete floor, electric, and water. The indoor arena consists of 7,920 square feet of indoor riding space attached to the stable, which provides year-round riding comfort. Ram fencing encloses the property, ensuring safety and security for your horses. I want to thank you for taking this tour with me today. And if you're interested in a private showing, feel free to call me at 734-761-3060. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay on top of our latest listings.